Hi everyone, it's Drew and Amelia. Today I am going to show you Drew and myself playing with the Teach My Baby set. Today we are doing self that focus on the face features of your baby.
What is this? Mouth. Where's your mouth? Mouth. Where's mommy mouth? Drew. Mouth. And let's do tongue and teeth. Drew. Tongue. Teeth. Big boo. Peekaboo. 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 How you doing? Drew. Nose. Take this off. Good job. Okay, put it on. Push it down. Good job. Take it off. Good job. Put it down. Good job. Take it off. Take out the tongue. Take off the tongue. Take it off. Take it off. Big boo. Teeth. Where are the teeth? Drew. No, that's nose. Nose. Thank you, nose. What is she gonna hand me? You hand me one. Which one you want to hand me? Hair? This is hair. Hair. Where's your hair? Where's your hair? Right here. Hair. You want the hair? Okay. Hair. Hand me hair. Hand me hair. Give me hair. Give me hair. Give me the hair. Give me hair. Give me. Don't eat the hair. Don't eat the hair. Don't eat the hair. Give me hair. Hair. Thank you very much. Drew. Hey, what's that? Mouth. Hand me nose. Give me the nose. You want eyes now? You don't know which one you want. Tongue. Teeth. Mouth. So let's do it from hair and eyes, nose and mouth, teeth and tongue. Da da da. Tongue. Wee. Boom. Teeth. Uh-oh. You see the camera? Teeth. Wee. Boom. Mouth. Drew. Mouth. Wee. Boom. Nose. Wee. Boom. Eyes. Wee. Boom. Hair. Wee. Boom. There's your face. Whoa! Whoa, that was a big one. What color are your eyes? Brown. Good job. Thank you for the eyes, Drew. Okay, let's put it up. Well, let's do your eyes. Your hair, eyes, nose, mouth. Nose and mouth. Hair, eyes and nose and mouth. Nose and mouth. You don't have teeth, but let me see your tongue. Hair, eyes, and nose and mouth. Nose and mouth. Hey, that's mouth. Good job. You cannot eat it. You cannot eat it. You cannot eat it. Give me the mouth. Give me the mouth. Oh, you gotta catch it. Wee. Give me the mouth. Wee. Give me the mouth. Wee. Good job. Oh, don't eat the mouth. Don't eat the mouth. Wee. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Okay, let's put it up. It's tongue, then teeth, mouth, nose, eyes, hair, and the self-bug. Hey, Drew, don't eat. Good job, Drew. You did your face today. Hey, give me this. Give me this. Mouth? Look at your mouth. That's a pretty mouth. Look at your mouth. Look at your mouth. Hair. Look at your hair. Look at your hair. Teeth. Look at your teeth. Tongue. Tongue. Let me see your tongue. Let me see your tongue. Go, ah. Nose. You like nose? Nose. Good job. Don't eat your nose. Don't eat your nose. Boogers in the nose. Raise your nose. Nose. That's your nose. Nose. You see your nose? Good job. Drew, where are your eyes? Ojos. Let me see. Let me see your eyes. Look at those eyes. Eyes. Peekaboo. I see your eyes. Look at those eyes. Peekaboo. Mouth. You want to hold mouth? Where's the back? You want to see the back? Mouth. Don't eat the mouth. Don't eat the mouth. Don't eat the mouth. Don't eat the mouth. Mouth. What do you see? Hey, give me. Okay. Hair. You see your hair? Hey, don't eat that. Okay, you're trying to eat them all. Good job. Good job for today. You did your face. Good job for today. You did your face. Teeth. Don't eat the teeth. Don't eat the teeth, Drew. As you can see, Drew really enjoys to teach my baby. When this video was filmed, Drew was only 7 months. Now, Drew is 8 months. He is doing a lot better with the program. He's a lot more interactive. So my suggestion is to just remain consistent. Slow down as you speak to the baby
and make sure that your baby is engaged.